Meaning of downside school.
Downside school.
Downside school.
Downside school.
Downside school. Downside School is a coeducational independent Roman Catholic boarding school for children aged 11 to 18 years old, located in Somerset, England. It was founded in 1606 and has a strong academic reputation with high standards of achievement. The school places an emphasis on fostering a sense of community and promoting Catholic values. Students participate in a diverse range of extracurricular activities and have access to state-of-the-art facilities. Overall, Downside School is a highly regarded institution that offers a well-rounded education to its students.